Come on. Come on, Kitty.
Oh.
Kitty, wanna come? So are you going?
Yes.
Kitty. Come on, baby.
Well. It's the last sofa night at 114 Rue Michel-Ange. This is a typical way that we would end the evening.
Exactly.
With all the animals crawling up on us. And the glamorous life of Paris would be quickly reduced from shooting out at Trocadero and the Eiffel Tower to being compressed in 400 square feet and fur babies piled on top of you and very little room to stretch out.
Let's be real.
Yeah, it is. One office just right there, 3 feet that way, another office 4.5 feet that way. And that all changes after tomorrow. So, what are you going to miss most about this place?
Our neighbors are very, very sweet, kind French neighbors. I at least know a lot of people by face, but our neighbors directly across have been really special. And I have a new friend in the building that I was just going to start practicing my French with. I still can, but of course, it's not as easy now. And I'm going to miss the massive terrace.
Yeah.
And the higher floor showing me a little more sky. But that's about it.
Yeah, definitely the terrace. Definitely the high skyline view.
The bartender moments on the terrace.
Yeah.
Out the kitchen window.
I'm gonna miss my morning view when I go into the kitchen and there's the pink sky with the Parisian rooftops. All my herbs sitting right there.
I'm gonna miss all the rainbows we saw here.
That's right. But you will now know when there's rainbows, or where there are rainbows over the Eiffel Tower, and you were a quick 9-minute walk to take in that
I
view.
do know what rainbow light looks like.
True.
So I could run. Touche and I could run and go find the rainbows. We'll be chasing rainbows.
And like you, the neighbors, all the people that know us now down at the grocery store at the bottom of the building that always like, bonjour monsieur, bonjour madame, ça va? Kind of feeling like we're definitely local now.
Yeah. I'm gonna start all that over.
So there's that. But yeah, definitely ready for the next chapter. For the official office space. Being back in the original neighborhood where we started our Paris journey.
Feels like we're going back home.
Yeah.
Our first Paris home.
Strangely enough, it does.
And that Paris has become one of our homes.
Yeah. So we didn't do the final count yet, but what is it? 60? No, not 60. Is it close to 50 boxes? It should be at 51.
We're past that.
Right.
I did like 5 while you were gone.
Oh, jeez.
And we were at 47 earlier.
Okay.
And I think there might be more than that. Oh, yeah. We did have 18 left.
Right.
I'd say we're probably at 12 at least remaining.
Alright, well.
You can tell we're a little low energy now. Today I started at 5:30. We both had shoots this morning, photo shoots. And now it's 8:40. We're going to bed.
Yeah. And I start my day at
5:30.
5:30 with a 6:30 shoot, something like that, and then come straight home to just get here before the movers arrive. So, c'est la vie.
Happy to have the movers.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm excited about that. We did this last time with 5 of our friends, and they were amazing. But I'm really excited. You saw I just got a little energy back because I don't have to move it all tomorrow. They were able to help with that. Super.
Our biggest stressor tomorrow is going to be managing all the different cameras to get all the different time lapses of everything happening.
And Doug had to talk me into getting the movers. So.
It always seems that I am talking you into things that cost money, but in the end, you thank me. Kind of like our wedding planner was one of them.
I do.
The house hunter to get this. The movers.
I'm sure there's other things.
All right. Well, until tomorrow or à demain.
À demain. À plus tard.
I won't miss all the noise from the street at night when it's time to go to sleep. Bonne nuit. Bonne soirée.
I'm gonna fall asleep right here. Press
End
stop.
scene.
Bisous. Bartender. Oh, bartender. I think it's time for a drink. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, even if it's only 9:24.
And so our second parish chapter of apartment living comes to a close. Our teeny tiny COVID apartment with the grand terrace served us well. We had a great time there. We were quite proud of it as it was an apartment that we secured on our very own with no help from any of our friends. We made neighbors for the first time. We felt like we were living in a real local neighborhood, and it was a great place to live. It served us well. But all chapters must come to an end and move on to new ones.